Number 10. Balpakram National Park, located in the South Garo Hills district of Meghalaya, is a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. Spread over an area of approximately 220 square kilometers, the park offers a pristine and biodiverse environment that captivates travelers with its stunning landscapes. The park is characterized by deep gorges, steep cliffs, and lush valleys, making it a paradise for trekking and photography. Travelers can witness a diverse range of flora and fauna, including several rare and endangered species like the red panda, golden cat, clouded leopard, and Asian elephant. Balpakram is also home to the iconic Balpakram bison, a species of wild buffalo unique to the region. For a truly immersive experience, travelers can interact with local Garo tribes who have been living in harmony with nature for generations. The best time to visit is during the dry season, from November to March, to avoid heavy rainfall and enjoy the beauty of this unspoiled gem. However, it's crucial to follow the park's guidelines and respect the wildlife and cultural heritage while exploring this hidden gem of Meghalaya.
Number 9. Nongriat Falls is one of the most mesmerizing natural wonders in Meghalaya and a must-visit destination for travelers seeking breathtaking landscapes. Located near Cherrapunji, famous for its record-breaking rainfall, Nongriat is the tallest plunge waterfall in India and the fourth highest in the world. The waterfall plunges from a height of approximately 340 meters, 1,120 feet, into a turquoise-colored pool, creating a stunning contrast against the lush green surroundings. The name Nongriat translates to Jump of Kalikai in Kasai, which is based on a local legend associated with a tragic love story. Travelers can enjoy awe-inspiring views of the waterfall from several vantage points along the rim of the deep gorge. The best time to visit Nongriat Falls is during the monsoon season, June to September, when the waterfall is at its most majestic, with the increased water flow creating a captivating spectacle. However, the area can get crowded during peak seasons, so it's advisable to visit early in the morning to enjoy the beauty of this natural wonder in solitude. Remember to carry your camera and be prepared for a short trek to reach the viewpoints, as it's an experience you wouldn't want to miss during your visit to Meghalaya.
Number 8. Mawlynnong is a quaint and culturally rich village located in the East Kasai Hills district of Meghalaya. It is renowned for its serene ambience, unique traditions, and the sacred Mawlynnong forest. The village offers travelers a chance to immerse themselves in the indigenous Kasai culture and experience the local way of life. The Mawlynnong forest, also known as the Sacred Grove, is a significant attraction in the area. It is considered sacred by the Kasai community and is preserved as a living museum of biodiversity. The forest is home to ancient trees, rare plants, and diverse wildlife, making it an excellent spot for nature lovers and birdwatchers. Travelers can also explore the fascinating Kasai heritage at the Mawlynnong Heritage Village, where they can witness traditional Kasai huts, handicrafts, and learn about the indigenous customs and rituals. For adventure enthusiasts, Mawlynnong offers various trekking trails amidst the lush green landscapes, allowing travelers to explore the natural beauty of Meghalaya up close. Whether you seek a spiritual experience, an encounter with nature, or a glimpse into indigenous culture, Mawlynnong promises a memorable and enriching travel experience in the heart of Meghalaya.
Number 7. Dawki is a charming town located in the West Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya, India. Situated amidst picturesque landscapes, Dawki offers travelers a delightful blend of natural beauty and cultural experiences. The town is known for its lush green surroundings, rolling hills, and crystal-clear rivers, making it a haven for nature lovers and photographers. Travelers can explore the nearby Krangsuri waterfall, a stunning cascade surrounded by emerald pools, offering a perfect spot for swimming and relaxation. Dawki is also an excellent destination for experiencing the unique Kasai tribal culture. Visitors can witness traditional Kasai music and dance performances during festivals and cultural events. The Narjang monoliths, located nearby, are ancient stone monoliths erected by the Jaintia kings and offer insights into the region's historical significance. For a taste of local cuisine, travelers can savor traditional Kasai dishes at the local eateries. The peaceful ambience and warm hospitality of the locals add to the overall charm of Java'i, making it an ideal destination for a serene and culturally enriching experience in Meghalaya.
Number 6. Nongriat village is a remote and enchanting hamlet located in the East Kasai Hills district of Meghalaya. Accessible only by foot, this hidden gem offers a unique and off-the-beaten-path experience for adventurous travelers. The village is renowned for its iconic living root bridges, which are natural wonders crafted by the local Kasai people using the roots of ancient rubber trees. The most famous among them is the double-decker living root bridge, a breathtaking sight with 2 levels of interwoven roots and sturdy planks. To reach Nongriat village, visitors must embark on a scenic trek that includes crossing the picturesque Xiang double-decker bridge and descending approximately 3,500 steps through lush green forests. The journey is demanding but incredibly rewarding. Once in Nongriat, travelers can enjoy the tranquility of the surroundings, swim in natural pools beneath the waterfalls, and experience the simplicity of Kasai village life. Staying in guest houses run by locals further enriches the experience, allowing travelers to immerse themselves in the authentic Kasai culture and hospitality. Nongriat village is a must-visit destination for those seeking a memorable and immersive adventure amidst nature's marvels.
Number 5. Mawlynnong, a small village in the East Kasai Hills district of Meghalaya, is renowned for holding the title of the wettest place on earth. This picturesque destination offers travelers a unique experience amidst its abundant rainfall and lush green landscapes. The village receives incredibly high levels of rainfall, resulting in verdant hills, glistening waterfalls, and numerous caves to explore. The Mawlynnong caves are popular attractions for spelunkers and adventure seekers, boasting fascinating limestone formations and underground marvels. Travelers can witness the majestic Mawlynnong waterfall, also known as the Seven Sisters Waterfall, where 7 streams cascade down the rocky cliffs in a mesmerizing display of nature's power. The local culture and hospitality of the Kasai people add to the charm of Mawlynnong. Travelers can interact with the friendly locals, indulge in traditional Kasai cuisine, and learn about their unique way of life. While visiting Mawlynnong, travelers should come prepared with appropriate rain gear and be prepared to embrace the refreshing and verdant beauty of one of the world's wettest and most captivating destinations.
Number 4. Dawki is a scenic border town located in the West Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya, situated along the border with Bangladesh. This quaint town is renowned for its crystal-clear and emerald-colored river, the Umngot River. The main attraction of Dawki is the Umngot River, which offers a surreal experience as one can see the riverbed through its transparent waters. Boating on traditional, locally made wooden boats over the pristine river is a popular activity among travelers, providing an opportunity to immerse in the breathtaking beauty of the surroundings. Apart from the river, Dawki is surrounded by lush greenery, rolling hills, and picturesque landscapes, making it an ideal spot for nature enthusiasts and photographers. The town also serves as a gateway to explore nearby attractions like the Mawlynnong, the cleanest village in Asia, and the living root bridges in nearby villages. Travelers visiting Dawki can enjoy the tranquility of nature, indulge in delicious local cuisine, and experience the warm hospitality of the local Kasai people, making it a memorable and relaxing destination in Meghalaya.
Number 3. Mawlynnong is a charming village located in the East Kasai Hills district of Meghalaya, often referred to as the cleanest village in Asia. This idyllic destination offers travelers a serene and pristine environment to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The village is renowned for its immaculately clean surroundings, with every nook and corner beautifully maintained by the local community. Travelers can explore the neat pathways, lush gardens, and lovely flower beds that add to the village's picturesque charm. Mawlynnong's unique living root bridge, crafted by guiding tree roots to form a natural bridge, is a fascinating sight and a testament to indigenous engineering skills. Visitors can also engage with the friendly Kasai locals, experiencing their traditional lifestyle, cuisine, and warm hospitality. The panoramic view of the Bangladesh plains from the skywalk viewpoint is another highlight. Mawlynnong's eco-friendly practices and pristine ambience make it an excellent destination for nature lovers, cultural enthusiasts, and those seeking a peaceful retreat amidst nature's splendor in Meghalaya.
Number 2. Cherrapunji, also known as Sara, is a renowned hill station located in the East Kasai Hills district of Meghalaya. It holds the distinction of being one of the wettest places on earth, blessed with abundant rainfall throughout the year. Travelers flock to Cherrapunji to witness its stunning natural beauty, which includes numerous waterfalls cascading down the verdant cliffs. Some of the famous waterfalls here include Nongriat Falls, Seven Sisters Falls, and Dainthlin Falls. Cherrapunji's unique living root bridges, created by training the roots of trees to form natural bridges, are a remarkable sight and a testament to the region's indigenous engineering practices. The landscape is adorned with lush green valleys, terraced slopes, and deep gorges, offering ample opportunities for trekking and nature walks. Monsoons bring a magical ambience, enveloping the region in mist and transforming it into a mystical wonderland. Travelers can explore the local Kasai culture, try traditional cuisine, and enjoy the serene ambience of this picturesque hill station, making Cherrapunji a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a captivating experience in Meghalaya.
Number 1. Shillong, the capital city of Meghalaya, is a charming and vibrant destination nestled amidst rolling hills and picturesque landscapes. It is often referred to as the Scotland of the East due to its pleasant weather and scenic beauty. Travelers visiting Shillong can explore its bustling markets, lively cafes, and colonial-era architecture, reflecting a unique blend of British and local Kasai influences. The city's vibrant culture comes alive during festivals, where traditional music and dance performances captivate visitors. Shillong offers several viewpoints like Shillong Peak and Lady Hyderi Park, providing panoramic vistas of the surrounding hills and valleys. Travelers can also visit the nearby Elephant Falls and Sweet Falls, both stunning waterfalls that add to the city's allure. The city's proximity to various natural wonders like Cherrapunji and Mawlynnong makes it an ideal base for exploring Meghalaya's treasures. With its pleasant climate, welcoming locals, and scenic delights, Shillong promises an unforgettable experience for travelers seeking both natural beauty and cultural exploration in the heart of Meghalaya. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon. Press the like button and share.